Ranginak. Date fudge. A dessert from Iran. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Stone the dates. Insert a quarter of walnut in each date and close it up. Step 2. Arrange the dates standing up in a shallow serving dish. Step 3. Melt the margarine and stir in the flour. Step 4. Gently cook until golden. Pour the mixture over the dates slowly while filling all the crevices. Step 5. Leave to set. Garnish with pistachios and almond silvers. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.